I have 4 legs and bark loudly to guard your house. Am I a cat or a dog? Ruff, ruff, it's the dog. I shine bright in the sky during the day. Am I the sun or the moon? Glowing all day, it's the sun. I have keys but no doors. Am I a piano or a door? Play a tune. It's the piano. I live in a pond and jump high. Am I a frog or a snake? Ribbit, ribbit, it's the frog. You wear me on your feet. Am I a hat or shoes? Step by step, it's shoes. I have wings, but I'm not a bird. I buzz around flowers. Am I a bee or a butterfly? Buzz, buzz, it's the bee. I have pages and words inside. Am I a book or a ball? Time to read. It's a book. I am cold, sweet, and melt in the sun. Am I ice cream or bread? Yummy and cool, it's ice cream. I can be cracked or boiled. Am I an egg or a potato? Crack me open, it's an egg. I help you see things far away. Am I a telescope or a bin? Look to the stars, it's a telescope. I say tick-tock all day long. Am I a watch or a cup? Time's up, it's a watch. I roar loudly and live in the jungle. Am I a tiger or a cow? Mighty and strong, it's the tiger.